Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we have something new that we're going to try. I've never tried this before. I've seen a lot of other channels do this, Todd Tobin being the main one doing this. Some fried corn on the Blackstone. It looks so good. I'm like, I have to try this. So I'm going to do this today, and we're going to put our little Crazy Pop spin here at the Crazy Acres on it and see how it turns out. May be good, may not be good, but it's worth a try. So before we get all that done, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification, leave us a comment down below, let us know you're new here. We love having new people join us. We have a great time here. If you have been here, thank you so much. Really do appreciate your support and continue to watch and continue to help us grow. Thank you so much. But, as you all know, check down the description down below, man. We got a Facebook, we got a Pinterest, we got an Instagram, we got a Twitter, we got an email, we got a P.O. box, we got all kind of things down there. And we also have, I tell you every video, there's a recipe playlist down there. If you haven't checked it out yet, be sure to check it out. There's a lot of interesting recipes down there. And adding one all the time. So never can tell what you find in there. So be sure to check that out. So with that being said, let's heat this thing here up. Let's show you some groceries, and we'll get to cooking. All right, let's get this thing going. Now, to make this, it's going to be a lot of corn. Might need that whole surface, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the whole surface. And what we're going to do now is just get everything down to about a medium low. And that's where we're going to go. Okay, y'all, to make our fried corn, we have a little over 4 pounds of corn here. Now, you use as much as you want. I got a big family to feed, so we got a lot of corn to go here. We're going to cook up some bacon. I got one pack, a 12-ounce pack of bacon. Probably could use more, because can you have enough bacon? I don't think so, but that's what we're going with today. We have some chopped up bell peppers. We have some rough chopped jalapeno peppers. We have roughly a small yellow or white onion, whatever you want to call it, chopped up. And we're going to season the whole thing with some all-purpose seasoning. So that's what we're doing today. The griddle is warm. We're getting some smoke signals, so that means it's time to put us some bacon on here. Now, believe it or not, this is supposed to be a higher quality bacon. Don't look like it though, does it? So what we're going to do is just throw this on. We're going to chop it up anyhow, so it really don't matter. Okay, y'all, bacon's on. I know it ain't the prettiest bacon, but believe it or not, it is a name brand bacon. Kind of surprised at how flimsy it looks, but it really don't matter because we're going to chop it all up. So, you know, if you want to buy the bacon in pieces in a box or whatever at your local grocery store, you want to buy the high dollar bacon, you use what you want to use. That is fine. But all we're going to do is chop it up anyhow, so there's that. Okay, let's give our bacon a flip. I love the smell of bacon on the flat top. Okay, y'all, this bacon is done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just take it up. We're gonna put on a tray over here to drain, and then we're gonna get everything else on here and start chopping that bacon up while it's cooking. So I got me a tray here with some paper towels on it. We're just gonna take this up. Just lay up here to kind of cool down just a little bit. Like so. We're gonna set this over to the side and start throwing the other stuff on here, and we'll chop this bacon up, mix it all back in there, and we'll be ready to eat. So now, you notice I didn't clean off the griddle. I don't want to clean off the griddle. All that bacon pieces and the grease and all that good stuff is gonna taste good in this corn. Go ahead and add all your other ingredients in here. Add a bunch of seasoning. Now this, y'all, this is putting off a smell like you won't believe. Give it a good stir. Now, as far as how much seasoning to use, you know, I don't really measure a whole lot here. What I'll do is I'll kind of just mix it all together, taste it, see how it goes from there. Once you get everything good and mixed up, we're going to kind of spread it out. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to let this kind of cook, get everything heated up, start warming up. We got to chop up this bacon, get it added in, and then get it all done. Try it out, see if our seasoning is where we want it, and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, y'all. Let's get our bacon chopped up while all that's going on. You know, I'm not looking for no pretty chop. So what we'll do is we'll just kind of rough chop all this. You do it like you want. If you want to break it up with your fingers, you cut it up like you want it. It's your bacon. And there you go. Bacon's all cut up, kind of like we want it. We got some big pieces, small pieces, just whatever. Let's go check on the corn. Now the bacon's already done, so really we ain't got to cook it no more, so we're gonna add it in dead last. Let's give our corn a stir. Oh, y'all, really? Son, I wish, and I know I say this a lot, but I really wish they'd invent some way you could smell through the screen or whatever, because this, y'all, is unbelievably, oh boy. I don't know what they say about it. It's just good. It smells so good. Spread it out, let it cook just a little bit more. And then we'll throw our bacon in. Okay, y'all, this has been going for about another 5 minutes or so. We're just gonna come in here, stir everything up good. Y'all look at that. Just look at that. You know, I'm kind of calling this a side dish. But honestly, this could be the main course. One more thing to do, and that's add the bacon back in. Let's get that done. Yeah, buddy. Got some goodies over here in the corner hiding from me. Can't have that. Can't have that. Y'all look how beautiful that has turned out. Look at that. Imagine that on your plate. Next to some chicken leg quarters or I don't know. Let me know what you'd pair this with. It's got a lot of options. It really does. Y'all, I think it's done. I think it's done. Give one more good mix. And I did try off camera. I did try it a little bit. And to me, the seasoning's right where I want it. So, you season it like you want it. Like I said, I don't measure. If I had to guess, I have no idea how much I used, honestly. We'll just call it seasoned to taste. How's that? So anyhow, y'all look how beautiful that turned out. We got to get this up onto a plate. We got to try this out. Let's slide all this over. Made a mess of my griddle top here, y'all. Watch this. It comes right up, see? Not a big deal. Let's kill our heat. This up here. How y'all like my fancy serving tray here, y'all? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get this up here and get it on our plate. There it is. What y'all think about that? How was that for a side, y'all? Fried corn, bacon, jalapeno, onion, and bell peppers. I mean, I don't know. This is, man, it's just looking good to me. Let's try it out. Well, there it is. That's simple. And I'm telling you what, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks amazing to me. It really does. You know, I've been watching Todd Tovit and several others cook this fried corn for about a couple years now, actually. Todd Tovit's done it several times, and it keeps on coming out better and better and better recipes. I'm like, finally, hey, I got to try this myself. So, it's all cooked. I got the smell coming off of it. I got to try this out. So I went and got me a plate and something to dip a little bit here with. And a fork. So, I can't take it no longer, y'all. I got to try this out. Some peppers in there. Oh, boy. Yeah, buddy. All I can say is thank you, Todd. Thank you. That fried corn is amazing. You know, we put that all-purpose seasoning. Now, if you want to use, excuse me, if you want to use a different kind of seasoning, hey, perfect, whatever. You use what you want to use. That all-purpose, the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, works really, really well with this. Then adding that bacon and these jalapeno peppers and the bell peppers and the onions, and getting that little crisp on that corn, that crisp, oh boy, really, really good. I highly suggest this as a side. Very, very easy to make, very simple. Make it yours, add to it, take away from it, whatever. Let me know how you do yours down below. Would love to know. So with all that being said, thank you again for all your support. Thank you for continuing watching, and we'll see you next time.